Hey Jack, what do you got there? Is that from the dishwasher? You're supposed to leave that in the dishwasher. Where are you taking it? What are you doing with that? Yeah, no, you're not supposed to take that out. Can you put that back? Can you put it away, please? Yeah, can you put it back in the dishwasher? You can do it. Nice try, buddy.